नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवीएन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the topic consumer protections and prerequisites to create blueprint for success. So let's start the topic. Now, consumer protections. Why do you consumer needs protections? The consumers, many business are the managed in an ethical fashions and focus on providing excellent quality goods and services to meet and customers expectations, and however this is not always the case, and the drive to maximize profit over helps and some organizations, resulting in them resorting to tractions in order to increase sales and revenue. There are a huge number of suppliers and retailers operating in the UK, and this gives the opportunities for unsubscriptions and traders to set up in business. Poor quality goods and standard services, misleadings and informations are and selling tastes are among the practice, and that the UK government seeks to discourage the in order to the control the way in which business conduct and themselves and obtain protections to consumers. The government has passed a number of laws and set up various organizations. These laws and organizations are together known as consumer protections and consumer protections legislations, the latter half of the 20th century. So, I must view a rise in the consumerism and the number of goods bought and sold. The government recognized the needs to regulate and business practice and the passed a number of the important pieces of legislations such as the Sales of Goods Act 1979. The sum of the main pieces of legislations are outlined below. The ethical issues are related to the consumer protections. The ethical issues related to the consumers protections on ethics relate to what is the morally right and wrong, and the business have to make ethical decisions, and how they treat and their the customers is part of the vendors on field of business ethics, and other ethical issues includes and how businesses deal with their suppliers, and do they pay a fair price, and what are the working conditions like in their overseas factories. So their workers, many of the practice on that consumer protections law seeks to ban are unethical and giving false informations about a product. For example, claiming an X and 2 with a free range and when they are not or starting. That a garment is 100% on silks and when it's the isn't, putting the pressures on a consumer to purchase. the something or supplying and poor quality goods that break easily are the all examples of unethical behavior on the part of business. Business ethics is a complicated field, and because ethics related to opinions and there is a sometimes and disagreement over the whether a particular practice is unethical or not. Marketing is the particular can cause and disputes in the area. For examples, some stores and display sweets at the checkout, and this is the graded as unethical by some because it encourages and pesters how power the children and repeatedly and asking partners the parents to buy and sweets for them as sweets are unhealthy food. This practice can be seen as unethical and however others agree that people have a choice and whether they purchase them or not, and it is the up to parents and to execute their children and about health foods. Some business have tried to rebellion and themselves because their making has been labeled unethical. Now discuss the next topic. Prerequisites to create blueprint for success. The first one is the own your brand. You are your brand are people and respond to it both are good and bad. Make sure your brand projects the persons you really are and own it in every way in your face-to-face instructions and on paper of and online. The second is the period citizens and relationship. The life, careers and business is at about building relationship with others friends and mentors who can show you the ropes and open doors for you and spurs and higher cubes who will pull and you up to the next levels by working hard and working smart. The make buildings a strong drivers and lasting network of relationship a priority in your work and personal life. The third one is the declare specific goals. Everyone needs and goals in their life, whether it's earning or start a successful new business or stress less and over the small stuff, and once you have a goal picked and out the declare to yourself and other the work and backward to understand the path you need to follow to achieve it. Get more the experience. The more experience you have in particular subject or business area, the more available and you are to your current employer and to prospective employers keeping learning to keep earnings. Now developing an executive presence, their operations and why top leaders and executives are seen by the others to be leaders, and they have the kind of executives and patience that people who work for them respond, and to work on developing executive presence and the being the kind of leaders that other peoples want to follow. Now, feedback, ask for it and share it. The feedback is the breakfast of champions, and only through and feedback can you improve and get better. If you are not getting and feedback, ask for it. If you are getting and feedback, use it to change and improve for the better. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Omen University, Jaipur. If you have discussed, if you have any queries, and we will discuss the problem solving. Thank you.